Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So today is the last day of our training for our windmill run. So takbo lang tayo ng 20 minutes, easy run. Break in lang natin itong jersey natin. Bukas rest day, preparation sa Sunday. So target time ko sa race is 2 hours to 2:15. Sana makuha ko yun. So come and join me. Let's have some papawis today para healthy ang buhay. Let's go, run safe, peace. 1K 708, 2K 718, 3K 759. So guys, that's our 20 minutes easy run here again at Concho Road. So I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. So kita kits sa Hacienda Windmill Run. I hope mabit natin yung 2 hours natin or 2:15. So yun lang, run safe guys, and kita kits.